Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the TCL K11 from Metro by T-Mobile. So the K11 is a new budget smartphone from Metro. It's available now in a prime black color, 32 gigabytes of storage, and that is the front and back there. It kind of gives me a TCL 30Z kind of vibe in terms of like design and whatnot. So that's kind of interesting there. So yeah, this is a budget smartphone. So yeah. So you guys got front facing camera somewhere up here. Y'all guys got bezels on this phone. Y'all guys got bezels. So deal with that as you will. Single rear camera fires TCL logo. Left side of the phone. I think there's nothing. I think the back comes off. I think the back probably just comes off probably. There's the back there. Single rear camera flash, TCL logo. Power button, volume keys on the right side of the phone there. Alright. The TCL K11 is free when you guys bring your phone to Metro. So if you guys are looking to get like a backup phone, a burner phone, or whatever, this phone fits the bill for that. If you get a brand new number from Metro, you can get this phone for free. But you gotta get the Metro Flex Up or the Metro Flex Plus plan to get that. Full retail price of the TCL K11 is $59.99, so $60 for this phone. I mean, you are getting what you pay for here, so do keep that in mind, alright? Features: the TCL K11 has 5 megapixel rear camera, 2 megapixel front facing camera, 6-inch display, FW plus display. I don't know what FW is. I guess it's gotta be like WVGA display or something. It's probably like FWVGA, I guess, display, I guess. 480 by 960 pixels, 17.5 hours of talk time, 20 days of standby time. So on display is gonna look not that great, but you're paying $60 for the phone, so you did get what you pay for here. Other features: you get a 6-inch FW plus display, probably FWVGA, face unlock protection, MediaTek Helio A22 processor, 3000 mAh battery, 32 gigabytes of internal storage, Android Go edition. So it has all the Android Go apps on here. So it has like probably 2 gigabytes of RAM, 2 gigabytes of RAM, I think. Yeah. You do have a micro SD card slot, which you need to take advantage of that. Says here the TCL K11 experience beautiful clarity on the 6-inch display and reliable 4G LTE connectivity. Expect seamless performance with the MediaTek quad-core processor paired with 2 gigabytes of RAM and running Android 13 Go edition. Okay. There's plenty of room to save what you like with 32 gigabytes of storage that can be expanded up to 512 gigabytes via micro SD card. The robust 3000 mAh battery will keep up with your daily demands, and the 5 megapixel rear camera will always capture images in detail. Specs: the TCL K11 is a budget smartphone, and it's true that here. Has a 3000 mAh battery. It has a headphone jack, which is very nice to see. Type-C charging, which is nice. Wi-Fi 8 to 11 BGN, dual band Wi-Fi. Pretty sure about that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure about that. Bluetooth 5.1, a MediaTek Helio A22 chipset, quad core, Android 13 Go edition, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of micro SD card expansion, 4G LTE only. There is no 5G on this phone, so if you guys want 5G, this is not the phone for you. It has supported email platforms for internet compatibilities, wireless emergency alerts, mobile hotspot capable, of course. Frequency: the TCL K11 weighs 6.7 ounces. Dimensions on the TCL K11: 5.62 inches height, 2.77 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. what comes with the TCL K11 is your charger Type-C cable, which is probably a Type A to Type-C cable. Quick start guide, product safety information, terms and conditions, and your battery. So yes, the back does come off, so that is very nice. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys have it. The TCL K11 is not here at Metro. This is a very basic budget smartphone. So like I said, if you guys are looking to get a backup phone, burner phone, or whatever, this phone fits the bill. I mean, it kind of gives me TCL 30Z design vibes. Basically, what it is, I think they just repackaged the design of the phone, which is interesting. But yeah, I mean, you get what you pay for here. So you can get this phone for free if you guys bring your number to Metro. It's $60 for retail price, so you do get what you pay for here. So keep that in mind, and don't expect a whole lot from this phone. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.